In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Chrome. If you use Chrome for different purposes like work, school, or personal browsing, switching between accounts can help keep your bookmarks, history, extensions, and saved settings separate. The good news is that Chrome makes this very simple, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in a Chrome browser window and looking at the top right corner of the screen, because that's where the account controls are located. Next, click your profile picture or name avatar in the top right corner of the Chrome browser. This opens the profile menu where you can see the accounts and browser profiles available on your device. If you've already used more than one Chrome profile before, they should appear here. Under the section labeled Other Profiles, click the name of the account or profile you want to switch to. This is the quickest way to move from one Chrome profile to another without signing out manually. It's especially helpful if you want to keep different browsing activity organized and avoid mixing tabs or saved logins between accounts. As soon as you select that profile, Chrome will open a new browser window for that specific account. That new window is now connected to the profile you chose, so you can continue browsing with that profile's bookmarks, saved passwords, and settings. This is important to remember because Chrome usually opens the selected profile in a separate window rather than replacing the one you already had open. If the account or profile you want to use is not listed in the menu, click the plus add option to set it up. This allows you to create or add another Chrome profile so it can be used in the future. Once it's added, you'll be able to switch to it from the same profile menu much more easily next time. One helpful tip is to give each Chrome profile a clear name or image so you can recognize it quickly. That can save time if you regularly move between multiple accounts throughout the day, and that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click your profile icon, choose the profile you want under other profiles, and Chrome will launch a new window for that account. If it doesn't appear yet, use Add to set it up first. Once you get used to this process, switching accounts in Chrome becomes fast, simple, and very convenient.